Hello, welcome to my double that is in a 10-person Latin way suite. Come on in. This is my bed. I spend almost all my time in my bed. I do have a desk. It's not always used for work. I tend to do work in my bed. Maybe that's a bad thing. I have a lot of stuffed animals and a lot of posters and some hats. I have like my little bucket of jeans right here. I wear jeans essentially every single day. This whole portion of the room, I feel like I just kind of like shoved all in one corner. As you can see, this is storage for like everything from nail polish to the books I have to read this semester and water bottles and like envelopes and stuff like that. This is like my little storage cart from freshman year. Definitely did my best to curate like a very cozy feeling over here. I have a lot of things that I love on these little shelves that I put on the wall. I have like cards from people, I have little trinkets, I have my Polaroid camera, and then over here I really like the view. I think this window is beautiful and it's obviously very big, especially when it snows. It's gorgeous. I like to keep this open as often as I can. I have some fake flowers, some real flowers that are dried. I have a lot of calico critters. I have my Nintendo DS and my Nintendo Switch and a little clock over here, and my salt rock lamp, which I love so much. And yeah, this has been my Latin Way double.